Good morning, students. Yesterday you studied about the process of photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, plants synthesize carbohydrates. Plant need protein and fats also, along with carbohydrates. Then how plants synthesize protein and fats? In the atmosphere there are lot of nitrogen. Around 78% nitrogen is present in the atmosphere. From atmospheric nitrogen, plants synthesize protein, but plant cannot absorb atmospheric nitrogen directly. So what to do? There are some bacteria that are live in the roots of the leguminous plants, like rhizobium bacteria. What they do? These rhizobium bacteria convert atmospheric nitrogen into usable form of nitrogen salt and release it into the soil. Plants absorb this soluble form of nitrogen along with water and other minerals through their roots. In some cases, you also know about that some farmers also add fertilizer in the soil, means nitrogenous fertilizer in the soil for the demand of the plants, for the better growth and better development of the plants. So sometimes farmer add nitrogenous fertilizer to their field to fulfill the need of nitrogen for the plants. Plant absorb these nitrogen salt along with water and grow better. In this way, plants gets fulfillment of nitrogen along with other nutrients. After the fulfillment of all nutrients, plants synthesize proteins and fats. There are some frequently asked questions. Questions 1, as we discussed earlier, what are the nutrients other than carbohydrates which are required by plants? Answer is proteins and fats are the nutrients other than carbohydrates which are required by plants. Question number 2, in which form do plants absorb nitrogen? Plant absorb soluble form of nitrogen. Why do farmers add nitrogenous fertilizer to the soil? As you know already, farmers add nitrogenous fertilizer to the soil to fulfill the requirement of nitrogen of the plants for the better growth of the plants. Nitrogen is necessary to synthesize protein for the plants. Which microorganism help to provide nitrogen to the plants? A certain types of bacteria called rhizobium help to provide nitrogen to the plants. Next question, how do plants absorb nutrients other than carbohydrates from the soil? Other nutrients are available in the soil in the form of minerals. Plants absorb these minerals from the soil along with water. Thank you.